Hi everybody, hope your PSA project is going well. Here's a little update for what you guys are going to do for today and tomorrow. And then you guys are going to turn this in and then start recording your video. Remember, your video is due on Thursday. So I'm going to share my screen here and kind of go through your storyboard today. So hopefully by now you have turned in your first 2 assignments, and yesterday you created your 2 driving questions and 6 research points per question. So remember that research is to help you do your storyboard, so hopefully from here it should be pretty easy. So we tried to give you some video production tips so that your video looks good and is easier to put together using these tips. So we're going to go through these things right here. So basic video shooting. Remember, you are not making an Instagram video, okay? So make sure if you're using your phone or your iPad that we're not doing it straight up and down and that we're doing it sideways so that it looks good on iMovie. Because if you're on iMovie, you can't crop it and rotate it. So make sure you do it horizontal regardless of what you're filming on. For audio quality, we talked about it earlier. If you want to use your phone and just do a voice memo and use that and put it over your footage and pictures, that might be a good choice. You can watch this good video link here. Background noise, turn off the TV, turn off the music, try and be in a quiet room. Just know that the background noise can't be edited. All right, so make sure your volume is consistent. You don't want to be yelling in half of it and can't hear you in the other half. Okay, so watch it through a few times. Maybe record 1 or 2 times, take a listen, make sure it's good filming. All right, number 3, using a tripod and keeping your device steady. So don't have somebody hold it where they're super shaky, or set it up on something where it's a bad angle. So you can click on without the tripod here and with the tripod here to watch the 2 difference in videos. All right, lead room. So making sure that if you're interviewing somebody or it's even you talking, that you're giving them room so that it looks good. So if you notice here, this one looks super awkward. This one's fine. And then this one looks way better. Okay, so if you think about what you watch on TV, start looking at people and how they're interviewed and see the spacing in between the 2 sides there, along with their headroom. Okay, so you don't want to cut off their head. I mean, I'm cutting mine off right now, but I have a big forehead. So, all right, make sure that they're in the middle of it so you get the good portion of their body. And then video transitions here. You can watch nice transitions and not nice transitions in these 2 videos to help you move smoothly throughout your 2 to 3 minute video. Okay, so in general, keep it simple. Simple is better. I know there's a lot of effects out there, but try to keep it simple, get your message across, and then manage your time. So you don't want to talk for 1 minute and 45 seconds and then realize you haven't gotten to a point yet. So make sure you know what you're going to say and then say it. So to be able to do that, we're going to write a script. So today you're doing your storyboard. So this is just a graphic image and an outline, so you know when you go to record what you need to do for each scene. So here, the scene boxes, you're going to draw and explain your location, your props, whatever it is. So if you're interviewing somebody, you're putting a picture of them here in this scene box. The text is what's going to be talked about within that scene. So it has to be an attention grabber, something that makes your audience want to keep listening to your video. Okay, your final scene needs to be a call to action. So what should your audience do with the information that you're giving them? So leave them with some facts, something that they learned throughout the video. You must have at least 5 scenes. If you want more, you can have more, but you must have at least 5. Okay, that is the minimum number of scenes. So here's a good example here of someone who turned theirs in. They have more than 5 scenes, which is fine, but they have their pictures, they show what each person's going to do, and they write an explanation underneath. So your pictures don't need to be super detailed, but just enough so that we know and you know what you're doing in each scene. So today for your assignment, you're going to click on this worksheet here and create your storyboard. Okay, so 5 scenes, no more than 9. Make sure you have your attention grabber in scene 1 and your call to action in the last scene. You're going to turn your storyboard in on Schoology by Wednesday at 11:59. And then you're going to start recording and editing using the guidelines above. So that's going to be done probably in iMovie, and you will turn that in on Schoology as well. So you must fill out this storyboard before you can start filming. Okay, if you want more information, here is another PowerPoint below. You're going to turn it in here, again, by Wednesday at 11:59. You get 2 points per scene. Okay, so 5 scenes, 2 points each, you'll get 10 points for turning this in. Please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.